Hi everyone, I just want to make a quick video to show you how to create a brand new Microsoft team in Microsoft Teams and also make recurring meetings so you can share it with your students and put it on Canvas. So the very first thing is go ahead and Google Microsoft Teams, and once you see that, you'll see a link that says download desktop and mobile apps. Once we click that, it'll take us to the Microsoft Teams page, where you'll see the link to download for desktop. I suggest you download this on the computer that you'll be working with in your classrooms. This will just allow you to get access, straight up access to the Microsoft Teams application. So go ahead and install that, and once you install it, you'll see something that looks just like this. So inside Microsoft Teams app, we'll be able to create first a team, and then we'll be able to create meetings for that team. So let's go ahead and create a team. The way we do that is go to Teams on the left menu, click Teams. And there, if you don't have any teams, it'll be blank, but if you do, you'll start seeing the listing of your teams. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a brand new team. So I'm going to just go back to All Teams. And then from there, you'll see a button, or you may have seen it already, where it says Join or Create a Team. So we're going to click this. And then we're going to create a team by clicking this button here. So Create Team. And because we're going to be creating this for a class, I'm going to select Class. And I'm going to give it the title of a class. So I'm going to just call this one my Monday class. It could be whatever title you have that you want, or if you want to create a team for all of your classes in the spring semester, maybe you'll call it Spring Classes. And then below, you may want to put a description, but I'm going to just put a dummy one and put it my Monday classes. Anything that you like. Go ahead and press Next. And then from here, we're not going to add any students. We're going to give them a link later on. So let's click Skip. And so now we have a team called Monday Class. From here, we can create, we can share notebooks or share material, but in this video, we want to create a meeting. So up here on the top right, you're going to see Meet. Let's just click that drop down from the Meet, and you'll see Schedule a Meeting. Because I want to schedule this to be recurring, I'm going to select this. And now I'm going to give it a title. So maybe I'm going to put my Monday Class Meetings here. As a title, it could be your course name, it could be for a specific team, anything you'd like for your meeting title. I'm going to keep the attendees blank, but I'm going to select when I'm going to be meeting for the very first time and then make that recurring. So I'm going to just select the date. Here, I'm going to select maybe Monday, and then the time that it's going to meet. Maybe I'm going to meet my class at 9 a.m., so I'm going to select 9 a.m., and then this meeting will allow the students to meet at 9 a.m. They can actually join the meeting before, and the meeting can last much longer past 9:30. To make this recurring, we're going to select weekly. And then so now the meeting is recurring every Monday. This is just going to create a calendar meeting inside our Outlook. But this meeting will be persistent throughout. So let's click Send. It's not actually going to send to anybody because we didn't specify anybody, but it allows us to have a meeting that's created that we can share the link. So from here, in my Monday class, I'm going to go down to the meeting that we just created, and I'm going to click that. Once that's loaded, you'll see down here, it says click here to join the meeting. Well, we want to save this URL because that's what we're going to post on Canvas. So I'm going to just right click that link, and I'm going to go to copy link. So now that link is copied, so I can go into my Canvas page. So I'm opening up Canvas, and I'm going to just post in probably the top module. I'm going to just go to that plus sign to add a new content to that module, and I'm going to go down to external URL, and I'm going to paste in the URL that I just copied. It's a Microsoft Teams URL for that meeting, and I'm going to put Teams meeting for Mondays. And I'm also going to select Load and New Tab. That's it. Once you click Add Item, we have now our team meeting URL there, and I can publish it so all my students can see this link and then be able to click here. So once they click here, It will then launch Microsoft Teams and then allow them to join. They'll click choose the application and then allow them to join. But that's it. That's how do you create a URL for Microsoft Teams.